Breaking news is throwing markets into chaos as global tariffs hit record highs, shaking the world of international trade to its core. Companies are scrambling to relocate production, and the impact on your everyday purchases will leave you stunned. Let's dive into the real numbers. That 65-inch TV you bought for $899 last year, it's now going for $1499. But it doesn't stop at electronics. Those trendy sneakers have jumped 40% in price, and your go-to coffee beans nearly doubled. Nobody's focusing on the supply chain meltdown. As a 12-year veteran in global logistics, I can tell you, small businesses are facing annihilation. A friend just laid off 30% at his import company. That's the fallout of this economic face-off. Here's the reality check. It's an economic standoff. One country hikes tariffs and others strike back. The US hits with 25% on steel, China slams 40% on agriculture, and Europe joins the fray. It's economic warfare at its core. But guess who's feeling it the most? The middle class. Wages aren't rising with these price shocks, and while companies try to absorb some costs, consumers bear the brunt. That's why your grocery receipts keep inching up. The nightmare, it's not over. Retailers still have old, lower-cost inventory. Once that's gone, brace for more price surges. The future purchase orders are a scary sight. So what's your game plan? First, make big purchases now. Prices won't dip. Second, find locally made products to dodge tariffs. Third, pivot your investments towards domestic markets. This isn't just a blip. It's a fundamental shift in global trade, reshaping the economy. It's not collapsing, but transforming, impacting every wallet. The sharp investors are already adapting. Are you ready for the change? Check the historical data if you think this is an overreaction. Let's dig deeper. Remember when shipping containers were cheap and abundant? Not anymore. Costs have skyrocketed and booking a spot is cutthroat. It's like Black Friday every day, but for cargo space. What does this mean for you? Delayed deliveries. So, if you're eyeing that must-have gadget, buy it now or risk waiting months. And let's talk about small businesses. They're juggling higher costs, uncertain supply, and customers with shrinking budgets. It's survival of the fittest out there. You have the power to support them, shop local, and keep the community thriving. But this isn't just about goods. Services are feeling the pinch too. Expect price hikes in your streaming, phone bills, and even your favorite meal delivery. Stay ahead by budgeting for these increases. Cut unnecessary subscriptions and find bargains where you can. This is the new normal. Adjust, adapt, and hustle. Play it smart in this economic roller coaster. Your wallet will thank you. Ready to navigate this storm? Let's ride out this wave together. We're in a world where adaptability is key. Don't just survive, thrive. Start with your shopping habits. Hunt for discounts and consider bulk buying essentials now before hikes hit hard. Next, let's refocus on energy. With global policies in flux, fuel prices are volatile. Invest in energy-efficient appliances. Reduce your energy bills and beat inflation at its game. What's the workforce outlook? Remote gigs are rising. If you've been on the fence about a side hustle or pivot, now's the time. Diversify your income streams and future-proof your career. And innovation, it's booming. From AI breakthroughs to green tech, keep your eyes peeled for ground floor opportunities. In this climate, knowledge is power. Stay informed, stay proactive. We're in this together, adjusting to a new economic era while aiming for wealth resilience. On the bright side, change is where growth sprouts. Ride this turbulence to new heights. Ready to seize this challenge? Let's go.